Welcome back to part 3, the last part of my terrarium build where I turned this mini IKEA greenhouse into a terrarium. In continuation of part 2, we're working on adding these 2-inch planters. These planters will hold the cuttings or plants that I will be adding in the future of this build. Next, I'm going in with some preserved moss. This will give the terrarium a natural element and also add some color into the project. I got tired of working on the ground, so after letting the build dry for a couple of hours, I propped it on a table. Let me be the one to tell you before you start this project to get yourself some gloves. Getting the good stuff off of your hands is extremely difficult. I tried just about everything possible to remove it and took days to get this off. I'm about halfway done with the terrarium, so I'm going to continue on with the background, adding more of the good stuff and moss. I'm using this wire mesh screen to put on top of the false bottom to catch any debris that falls to the bottom of the terrarium. We're about 90% complete and just finishing up with some last touches of the background. I'm going in with a paintbrush and a vacuum to clean off any debris that got left behind, and the terrarium is complete. What are your thoughts of this build? Comment them down below, and thank you so much for watching.